Hey Amazon friends, I want to introduce you to the TDRFORCE diaphragm pump that I just received. I'm going to pull it out of the box here, show you a few things that it comes with and what it looks like, and get it up and running here. So this is how the pump comes packaged. Here it is, the TDRFORCE, the manual that I just had on display. It comes with various couplers that you can that you have for whatever applications you're going to need it for, and it also does have some nice stainless steel bands for wrapping on hoses as needed. And it's just nicely packaged in here. As you can see, it's got nice styrofoam, helping it securely for when it's shipping. But I'm gonna pull it out and get it going. So as I get it ready for setup, you can tell the inlet and outlet. It does have just nice simple arrows. It comes with a nice sturdy base to be able to mount that down on whatever you might want it to go on. But this will be a nice addition for our drip irrigation system for our farm. So I was able to get the coupler into the garden hose, tightened up with the band. When you install this, they provide a rubber O-ring that you can put inside here. So when you put the end into there, it'll tighten up and make it a nice watertight seal. And you can see the pump. I got the suction tube going into my tank, an exit tube coming out. Got it plugged in, and it's pretty simple. It's just a quick little switch on top here, the green button. Once it's on, you can hear the pump running. You can hear the water sucking out and the water coming out the tube. This is going to be a nice little pump addition for the farm. I'm hoping you guys find it as handy as I do.